Hello everybody, my name is Bilal. I'm a driving instructor in Abu Dhabi, Mustafa. Today I will explain you how to park the 90-degree parking. And if you want to take classes for the road test and if you want to take classes for the parking exam, you can contact with me by WhatsApp. My number is on the screen. In 90-degree parking, the only one reference point, if you remember the reference point, you will pass easily in your first attempt. The reference point is this, the cone number 5. When you see this cone on your part of the window, when this cone appear from this part of the window, that time you need to stop the car and turn your steering completely right and keep eyes on the mirror, side mirrors, and keep moving back slowly. Make sure your car is slowly move back slowly. So at the same time your car is come in this box, in this parking slot. Keep eyes on the mirrors, on the left mirror. When you see in the left mirror this line and your car body is become a straight, that time you need to stop the car completely and turn your steering completely straight. 2 times turn back and your steering is become a straight, and then again move back slowly. So inside the Emirates driving school, the parking slot, there is the two rubbers, one is there and one is there. Between the two rubbers there is the gap. So when this gap is become parallel to your shoulder, that time you need to stop the car. Your car is already inside the parking. But here we don't have any rubber, so the reference point, when these come to parallel your car headlight, that time you need to stop the car. Your car is already inside the parking. So how to exit from the parking? I will explain you how to exit from the parking. The reference number 1, the same reference point, when this same reference point come to your this part of the window, middle of the window, that time you need to stop the car and turn your steering completely right and then move. Your car is completely outside the parking and your car is in the box. And now we start the practical how to park the 90-degree parking. Come. So when you enter in the car, you need to adjust your seat, mirror and then seat belt with the sequence. We say it's SMS. So first S means seat. How to adjust the seat? Your left hand on the steering, up from the steering, and your right hand from the right side. You can move forward, back move forward your seat and back your seat from here. There is the one lever, as you push it, and you can forward and back your seat from here. Here, this distance is not more than your knee, and the dashboard distance is not more than 4 to 5 fingers. So after adjusting this part of the seat, then we adjust the backrest of the seat. Your both hand on the steering like this. If you do like this and your backrest and the seat backrest have a gap, so it means your seat is not, your back is not completely adjust. You need to adjust. So now I adjust. Now I put my hand on the steering and my back and the seat have little gap. So I adjust little bit from here. So now my seat, my back and the seat back don't have a gap. It means my backrest is completely adjusted. So after adjusting the seat, you can adjust from here as well. If you want to little down your seat, you just this handle push down, it's become a down. When you pull up, it's become a up. So after adjusting the seat, then we adjust the mirrors. Mirrors start from the center mirror. Center mirror keep like this. Don't use your hand like this. Only you can keep like this and you can see the 4 corner of the back screen in the mirror. Then your mirror is fine. So after adjusting the center mirror, then we adjust the side mirror. For the side mirror, there is the one button. This button, if you keep right, then the system active of the right mirror, and you can adjust up and down from this stick from here. So I will adjust with myself. In the parking, you use the mirror down 20%. Other in the driving position, you can use the mirror like 20% car body with back door handle, another 80% back view. But in the parking, you just keep your mirror little down. So in the parking, because we cannot drive in the parking, we just keep our mirror little down. So after adjusting the mirror, then we wear the seat belt. You catch seat belt like this and use the other hand, and from here, and then you put this clip in this buckle. Yeah, and now we start. This video we use the automatic automatic transmission car, the same car you use in the exam, your parking exam and the road exam as well. So in the automatic transmission car, there is no clutch, only brake and the accelerator. So every time when you need to change the gear, just push the brake, and then you can push the one button is on the lever, you push the button and you can change the gear. So now we are use the gear to reverse because we need to go reverse. And handbrake down. Now moving back slowly, and keep eyes on here. Keep moving slowly, and look eyes here. And when you see your first reference point from here, now you need to stop your car completely. And you can see in this part of the window, that time you need to stop your car completely and turn your steering completely right. So after turn your steering completely right, then move back slowly, and keep eyes on the mirror, and look both side of the mirror, keep eyes on the mirror, and keep moving back slowly, keep moving back slowly, and now keep eyes on the mirror. You can see the first cone here in the mirror, and now you, when your line and your car body is become a straight, that time you need to stop the car. Now it's become a straight like this, and now turn your steering straight. If you do two time, it's a become a straight, one and two. And now keep moving back and look at the mirror, and keep moving back slowly. Now when you see these cones, this cone and the other cone, these cones come to your parallel of your front light, front headlight, that time you need to stop the car, and your car is in the parking. Now we check our car inside the parking or not. This side is also in the line, and behind is also in the line, and we can see here is it also in the line. It means our parking is perfect. So now we move out from the parking. So come. Now we are going outside from the parking. So keep moving slowly. The same reference point, when this cone come to your middle of the window here, you can see now it's the middle of the window. That time we turn the steering completely right. From here, now it's my middle of the window. So when your car is here and this reference point come to your middle of the window, that time you need to stop your car and turn your steering completely right again, and you can move. And now your car is in the next parking. So this is the parking, the 90-degree parking. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like. If you like my videos, like and share with your friends. Inshallah this video helpful for you in your exam. Stay blessed.